All right, so here's the simple truth when you're looking for the best grass-fed protein powder. Consider these popular options. Number one, Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. While primarily a collagen supplement, it contains protein from grass-fed sources and is great for skin, hair, and joint health. Number two, Orgain Organic Protein Powder. It's made from grass-fed whey, it's plant-based, and it has a smooth taste, making it ideal for shakes or baking. All right. Number three is Tera's Whey grass-fed whey protein. This option offers high-quality grass-fed whey and minimal ingredients, so no artificial additives. Number four, PaleoPro Protein Powder. It's all in the description. It's made from grass-fed beef protein, so it's a good choice for those looking for a non-dairy option. Number five, grass-fed whey protein by Naked Nutrition. This is a simple, clean protein powder with no additives. It's perfect for those who want pure whey. So when choosing a protein powder, look for minimal ingredients and high protein content to ensure that you're getting the best quality. I put it all in the description.